require the two structure for initialization of UART, right? So you have UART lite config and you have UART lite, right? So again, we'll be following the same process as we've been doing from the beginning. So we'll copy UART lite. Okay, we'll be adding it over here. We'll just be naming this as UART, and again for UART lite config we will be declaring as a pointer, right? So we will just go ahead and we'll add this. Okay, this will be UART config and this should be a pointer, right? So we'll just be adding an asterisk over here. Now this should be for both the IP instances that we have created, right? So for first instance we'll just be naming this as UART 0, and for the second instance we will just be naming this as UART 1 and UART config 1, right? Let's just go ahead and create an independent function, okay, which could be used to initialize our UART peripheral. Okay, so we already know the process, so let it just declare two variable int status 0, okay, and status 1. So this will be holding the value written by CFG initialize for both the instances of an IP, right? So we need to look for a lookup config, and we do find a lookup config where we need to pass a device ID, right? We'll just go ahead, and then to find out the device ID we just need to go to xparameter.h, right? So if you go ahead and look for an UART, right, so you could find out the data related to both the UART instances, right? So this will be the device ID for UART lite 0. So we'll just copy it and we'll add it over here, right? So this returns